continuing shockwaves around the nation amidst these marches by thousands. What you see here has been animating so many people in so many places, reacting to the Supreme Court, which, now stocked with 3 Trump appointees, has reversed 50 years of law to revoke the constitutional right to choice in America. Now, let me tell you something off the top. By every available measure that we have had up until Friday and over the weekend, Americans oppose exactly this kind of move. It has been polled for some time. They strongly oppose it now that it has become reality. Activists, opposition are materializing well beyond these specific categories, such as the way that sometimes Washington divides things up by ideology, by gender, by geography. Indeed, I want to tell you, as word spread Friday and reaction built over the weekend, it is very clear that those 5 justices who voted to formally and completely reverse Roe, 3 of them appointed by Trump, who got, we should note, fewer votes both times he ran for president than his opponent. Well, those 3 new Trump justices, along with the voting bloc, they are a government minority. They're squaring off against what is clearly a much, much larger American majority. And the reaction to what they've done ranges from the personal, the political, to people speaking up well beyond politics and across our larger culture.
I wanted to dedicate this next song to the 5 members of the Supreme Court who have showed us that at the end of the day, they truly don't give a about freedom.
It's health care, and they need to have it. It's necessary.
All these irrelevant old trying to tell us what to do with our bodies.
We'll keep at it, and we won't quit because too many women are dying.
Supreme Court.
It's a direct attack on socioeconomic groups that are, disparaged already.
Godspeed for women's rights. They judge you, they judge Christ.
This is not the end. This is the groundswell that we need to say these are our rights.
Godspeed for women's rights. They judge you, they judge Christ. Godspeed for women's rights. They judge you, they judge Christ. Godspeed for women's rights. They judge.
Now take just the final 2 voices we showed you in that very partial collection of what everyone is saying and doing and reacting. One citizen declaring this should be the start to a groundswell, not the end of a legal case. And then after that, an artist with many, many millions of followers, Kendrick Lamar, confronting plainly the religious claims of judges who apparently believe their personal religious views must control others under law. Well, he rejects that kind of zealotry or possible arrogance, saying it is against women, and Lamar offering a more humble view of religious traditions. We show you that tonight to start our coverage because both those views are animating part of the backlash right now. Because as this week begins, I'll tell it to you straight. Americans are living in a fundamentally different society than last week. Now a constitutional right has evaporated before our eyes. Now a court that operates chiefly through the influence of its legitimacy has, at least according to many, according to the majority in this democracy, we cover what the majority thinks, the court has now torched some of that in exchange for a political and religious agenda at the first moment it found the 5 votes to take this action, 3 of them courtesy of Donald Trump. Now, what I am reporting for you are legal facts. That's apart from one's personal or religious views, which is why we're at an inflection point in history. Consequences are here, right now, here, for people. The new abortion bans arriving in 10 states. Some are litigating the details. Arizona, West Virginia, Wisconsin shutting down health care and abortion services already in response to this ruling.
I had to look people in the eye and turn them away when they were seeking abortions.
People that were upset, angry, people breaking down, crying, people in disbelief. So this is a really emotional and hard day.
We've always said, take everybody, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out how to serve people. And we haven't been able to say that now.
We will find a way to help clients. And if it means moving, we'll have to move.